Hi, I'm Michael Your Handyman and back for another episode. We're back in the bathroom, and what we're going to do is we're going to be changing out the toilet seat. And as you can see from the looks of it now, we got all of the rot, the dry rot that was on the baseboard. We put pressure treated wood in place. We got our wall up. We have our lights repaired. And the only thing left is our sink. But for the meantime, let's get this toilet out. A toilet seat. And yes, it's a Bemis. Not that one, the new one. Okay, this is a tight fit, but we're gonna get you in here. We're gonna use this bathroom. We're gonna look at this bathroom together. Okay, now we already loosened up our screws, so we're gonna remove that now. Let's set this to the side. We're going to take some of our paper towel and wipe down the top where we're going to put the new one. Okay. Now, let's grab our toilet seat. Okay. And again, if you look at it, I'm going to take these in. It has a lock and unlock. If you put it in the unlock, you can remove the stud that's here. But by keeping it locked, let's see if I can take one back out so I can show you. Okay, here it is. This is the stud. It goes in as such, pushing it flush, turning it to the lock. Okay, now let's get this on. Here are our bolts, our plastic bolts. Okay. So they're gonna screw in from the bottom as such, and you have a little driver if you want to utilize that as a tool. Okay, let's get this screwed in into the bottom. Okay. Okay, that's that one. Now we have a perfect enclosed bathroom. All walls are up, and the occupancy, or the resident, excuse me, the resident will be able to have a privacy when they're going to the bathroom. All right, and if they elect to paint, they can paint. All right, the only thing left for us to do is the sink, and when that comes in from the order, we will get that installed and share that with you. With that being said, please hit that like and subscribe, and as always, I'm Michael Your Handyman. Be safe, think safe, and have a blessed day. Let's go on to the next job. Talk to you later.